Hi, everyone. Happy remote work day. It is February 23rd. And although we are not meeting in person for our class session, I did want to send you a video to kind of help you through some of the items within Module 6. So just a reminder, in each module, there are a set of resources. And they're meant for you to look through, and they're meant to help you with your understanding and some other things related to the topics within this module. So the three assignments for this week. The first one is the Feynman technique. And let me quick switch my role to student so I don't confuse you. So the first one is the Feynman technique. And this is a simple video, and within the video, questions are embedded for you to answer. So you are going to click the play, and then the video is going to play, and you can see it's going to play for a while. Every time that there's a dot or a bubble, that means there's going to be some questions for you to answer. So in this particular one, I think the series of questions comes here. There may be one, there may be two, there may be 10. I don't remember how many I built in, but all the questions relate to the video. So as you watch the video, you're welcome to take notes while you're watching. But the big thing is when you get to those questions, okay? So for example, the video pauses and then it allows you to answer. And then after you pick your one, it'll say submit or move on, that kind of a thing. So that is how it works. It is automatically graded. So make sure you play it all the way to the end after you submit your answers, and the grade will automatically post within our gradebook on Moodle. Okay, let's look at the next one for Module 6. The next activity that's going to be graded is the forum. So for this particular forum, it's all about Chapter 1. In Chapter 1, I basically want you to evaluate the author's message by writing a summary paragraph of one of the sections in the chapter. So in Chapter 1, there are several different sections. You're going to pick one, doesn't matter which one of your choice, and then you're going to write a little summary on it. It needs to be a paragraph long, at least that's a minimum of 7 sentences. I want you to do it as much as possible in your own words. So the problem here, and be careful you do not do this, you are not copying exactly what's in the book. I want you to show me you understand it by summarizing. So I want that summary in your own words. Now, of course, there may be some key vocabulary or terminology that you're going to have to use that is in the book. That's perfectly acceptable. But do not just rewrite the information that you find in the book on that section. Okay? And then we have one more item for Module 6, and it's going to be the test. This test is on Chapter 1 in the textbook. When you click in, it's going to warn you. Make sure you've read Chapter 1 and you're familiar with that information before you start the test. And this is a 1-hour time limit, by the way. So you have from the time you click into it, where you click attempt quiz, that's when the clock runs. So don't click it till you're ready to take the test because there are no redos, no do-overs. Take your time, do the best you can on this test. I would even recommend maybe making yourself some notes from that chapter in the book. It is an open book test, which means you can look back in the book. I will warn you, you may not have enough time within an hour to go look and find those answers. Hence, you should read that chapter and be familiar with it. Maybe take a few notes. We just finished Cornell Notes. Do a set of those. And then click in and start your test. Make sure you have a good connection because once you start the time, it goes automatically to the end. The other thing is make sure you answer all questions. Don't leave anything blank. Any unanswered questions will be marked as wrong. So I believe that's it for Module 6. I did provide you, once again, I've given you some resources related to the book or the concepts that we are working on in Module 6. So make a point of going through them, okay? Uh, Three things. They're all due Friday by 5. So go ahead and reach out if you have any questions or concerns.